Hi there, welcome back to ESL. In this video, let's talk about the most confusing and the most interesting topic. Now, the topic is non-finite verbs. But to understand non-finite verbs, we must begin with finite verbs. A finite verb is a verb which changes its form based on tense, based on subject, based on number. Now, let me give you an example here. She goes to market. She goes to market. Okay, this is a sentence. Now, if I change the subject she to they, there is a change in the verb now. They go to market. See how it has changed? She goes to market, change it to they go to market. And similarly, if you change the tense here, for example, she goes to market is in the present tense. And now if you change this into simple past tense, it can be like she went to market. See here, goes has changed to went because we have changed tense. Now, any verb which changes based on tense and based on person and based on number, either singular number or plural number, that verb is called finite verb. But that's not our topic. Now, it's time for us to get into this topic now, non-finite verbs. We have learned that a finite verb changes its form based on its tense, based on the person, based on number, singular number, plural number. But non-finite verb is something which always remains constant, which never changes. Whether we change tense, whether we change the person, whether we change the number of the subject, singular number, plural number, it does not change. Such verbs are called non-finite verbs. By the way, let me give you an example to understand. Now, I am going to give you an example with both finite and non-finite verbs because non-finite verbs alone cannot construct a sentence. Cannot make a sentence. We need to have a finite verb. Of course, we can have a non-finite verb along with a finite verb. So, let me give you an example here. Being tired, she sat down to rest. Being tired, she sat down to rest. Now, in the first part here, being tired, we don't say who the subject is. It means here the verb being has no subject here. So, it's not a finite verb. Even if we change the tense form in the remaining part of the sentence, there is no change in the word being. For example, the given sentence is being tired, she sat down to rest. Now, if I change this to present tense, being tired, she is sitting down to rest. See here, we try to change the tense in the sentence, but being remained constant, remained the same. Such verbs are called non-finite verbs. By the way, there are three main types of non-finite verbs. They are called 2+ infinitives, gerunds, and the next one is participles. And again, there are three more types, 2 major participles and 2 the most important participles, and the other one perfect participle. We'll discuss each of them in detail in further videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.